Yeah, hi. We are from SVS Embedded. The project title name is Part 1 Blind Stick Tracking Remote Person. Means blind stick tracking remote person stick. So in this project we are using an Arduino Uno R3 and one switch button. Blind person should press the switch button and it will send the GPS location along with SMS alert to predefined mobile numbers and one green color LED and three 9 volts batteries. Arduino Uno R3 switch button, green color LED, GPS GY6MV2 GPS module and SIM 800L. So this is a total kit consists of 3 parts. So first of all I am going to explain the first part. So in the first part, so GSM modem, SIM 800L, Arduino Uno R3 and 3 9 volts batteries and one GPS module. Blue color LED is on and off, and then one on and off switch button. If you off and then on. So this is the tracking switch. Person should remote location. They want to send SMS to the predefined mobile numbers, so they need to press the button. So here the orange color LED is there. If you press that, it should be off and it will track the location of the latitude and longitude, and this GSM having SMS balance. So this here we feed it 3 mobile number. One is me, other is 2 students numbers. Okay, it will send the SMS alert like this. So I am in trouble, please help me, please rescue. Then www.googlemaps.com/place and then it will send the SMS. Yeah, we got SMS alert again. Okay, so this is for first part in this project, tracking location, remote location of the person. Okay, switch button, tactile switch button, green color LED, GPS module, Arduino Uno R3, SIM 800L and 9 volts battery. Now I am switch off. Here I am using SIM card, Idea SIM card. Okay, so you can use any SIM card, Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL. Must and should consist of SMS balance. SIM 800L we are using. Okay, so here I am inserting. Okay, then okay, batteries, switch on. Okay, so it must and should you need to place some outside, so it will take exact latitude, longitude, and the green color LED is on and off. Then again, if you need, you can press the reset button. Okay, green color LED is on, orange color LED, sorry. Orange color LED is on. Now I am pressing the button. That orange color LED off. 2 are students number, 1 for me. Okay, so we will get the SMS alert like this. Thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS Embedded. So tracking sensors data, sensors location, GPS, GSM, green color LED, switch button. So this is for blind stick detection as well as staircase detection, and this is for the sensors detection. So I will explain part 2 and part 3. Again I got the SMS alert. Part 2 consists of water level, fire, LDR, obstacle, and part 3 consists of two ultrasonic staircase and RF receiver to detect the stick, RF receiver and RF transmitter.